Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll down and tap on the wallpaper. As you can see here, we've got 4 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got local photos, so it is actually our own gallery. Here we've got recently used pre-installed ones, so here we've got some wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device, and also some live wallpapers. What's more, under it we've got online wallpapers, so here you will be able to find new wallpapers, obviously if you will have the internet connection, and then you will be able to pick them and set them as your own. So in order to check the preview, just tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the whole screen. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so just tap on it. And as you can see, we've got the info that the wallpaper has been applied, so we can go back and check. And as you can see, it has been immediately shown on the home page. Let's check the lock screen also, and it is visible right here. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.